Hello student, today as a topic is peacock is our national bird. Peacock is the national bird of India and on 26 January 1963 it got this status. Peacock is a very beautiful bird. Peacock is very much like the rainy season. Dance of peacock is popular among dances of wings spreading. Peacock is also known as the friend of the farmer because they eat harmful insects for agriculture. Peacocks are omnivorous. They eat cereals, insects and snakes, etc. Peacock has a crown on the head of a peacock. Peacocks also have great importance in Hinduism. Peacock's peak exists on the crown of Krishna Ji. More is the ride of Lord Shiva's son Kartikeya. Peacock likes to be in the group.